Here's how to fix the problem that Edgewonk keeps crashing on you with the new Mac OSX Mojave. This is a bug that was introduced with this new OS X release by Apple. There's nothing we could do about this, but there's a workaround. So please open your Finder, click on Go, then click on Go to Folder. We need to go to the system/library/core services folder. And then we have to look for the JIR launcher, jar launcher app. Next, we go to our system preferences, security and privacy, accessibility. We have to enter our password. It's the same you use to log into your Mac. And then we simply drag and drop this into this list, close this, and that's it. Now your Edgewonk won't be crashing anymore.